Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, crazy cat artist. Just roughly get those shapes in, just looking for shapes within the bigger shape. Got a bit more of a slant on the cat's head than it is in the photo, but that's okay. And I'm going 2.5 times the speed and voicing over here and correcting as I go. Just really thinking about the whole time what's important and what's not. Nice line in there to place the eyes. And it helps to have these lines too to get the eyes in the right place. And we don't see much of a chin in a pose like this. If you really watch, you'll see me measuring angles, but of course it's quickly because we're at 2.5 times the speed, but I just kind of eyeball them or just measure with my pencil. I feel like I got the eyes a little bit wonky here. I feel like the eye on our right side should have been down a bit and a bit smaller, but you know what? That's okay. It's a sketch and it's learning. And the fact that I recognize that allows me to take it to my next drawing. Maybe of this same one, because I'm thinking I might do one on good paper of this. So this is a practice run. And the little wonkiness bits, they really add character to the drawing too. If you start correcting everything, pretty soon your drawing will end up looking stiff and lifeless. And you lose that beautiful impressionistic, the preliminary drawing look, the sketching look. So proceed cautiously. I love to hear from you. If you want to drop me a comment and tell me what you want to learn about cat drawing, that'd be great. Or where you live in the world or whatever. Just being gentle on the Siamese markings here because I really want the lines to stand out, because really for me it is all about the line. I love being expressive through line work. And I like that little smirk I've captured there too. How the mouth goes up under the eye on our left to capture a little smirk. Just darken up some lines to make the kitty pop. Might have made the back end a bit too fat, so narrowed it down a bit. And some wiggle lines. Thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you next time.